I woke up this morning to catch the sunrise, but what I didn't realize when I did that was I was also going to catch nature at work. The daylilies were not opened yet, so I got to see them wake up, open up, and welcome the new day just as I was doing. I got to see the bees as they woke up and started to come into the garden to get their nectar for their life. Nature is just a wonder that surprises me every day, and this garden allows me to experience that. And even more important, I'm able to share that with other people. Flowers, sunlight, fresh grass. What more can you ask for out of nature? Fresh air, putting your feet in the grass, feeling the wind as it blows over your skin, staring up into the sky with your eyes closed so that the sunshine can warm your body, growing your own food, and how much better it tastes once you've processed it and cooked it compared to what store-bought, overly processed with chemical food tastes like. Flowers that recognize you as you walk along your garden path and smile at you. That's what this morning and all the thoughts that have run through my head have brought me. It's just a wonderful day today.